Namaste all dear learners and well wishers. I'm continuing from number 4 of this topic fraction and decimal of grade 7 mathematics. It's of the unit of 5.3. Now up to 3 number I have explained in the earlier video. Now I'm continuing from number 4. So in number 4 first, what is here? So this is what here. A car is moving at an average speed of 200 km per hour. Is it? Its speed is given. Is it? And the question is what? How much distance will it cover in 15 by 2 hours? So let's go with the unitary method. So the thing is what here? Uh, Average speed of car is given 200 by 3 km per hour. So it means what? In 1 hour, car will be moving the distance of 200 by 3 km. So after knowing how many kilometer will be traveled by the car in 1 hour, we can find distance traveled by the car in for any hour. Is it? So very easy thing is this. So here we say first yeah, car travels 200 by 3 kilometer in 1 hour. Is it? And now we have to find what, how many kilometer will it go in 15 by 2 hours. So in 1 hour is going 200 by 3 kilometer. Is it? So in 15 by 2 hours it will go that many times. Is it? So simple logic, let's use. In 1 hour it travels suppose 50 kilometer. Is it? So in 2 hour it will travel 2 times of 50. Is it? So we are finding for 15 by 2 hour. So for 15 by 2 hour, is it, it will go 15 by 2 times more. Is it? So let's go for that. So we say here in 15 by 2 hours. Is it? So 200 divided by 3 into 15 by 2 kilometer will be traveling that many time. So car travels 200 by 3 into 15 by 2 kilometer in 15 by 2 hour. Is it? So let's make the calculation over here. So how much will it get here? By 3 you can cancel 15 for 5 times, and by 2 you can cancel 200 for 100 times. So 100 into 5 kilometers. So it's what? 500 kilometers. So the thing is what? Therefore car travels 500 kilometers in 15 by 2 hours. That's done. Is it? You may conclude by yourself. And now let's see what is in here. B. Is it? So here said what? An aeroplane covers 1020 kilometer in an hour. Is it? So in 1 hour it travels 1020 kilometer. So the question is how much distance will it cover in 25 by 6 hours? So it's very same. Is it? So in 1 hour it travels 1000 by 1020 kilometers, it is said. Is it? So for 1 hour, or in 1 hour how many kilometer it travels, it's already given. Is it? And now in 25 by 6 kilometer how many hours will be covered, we have to find. So 20 by 6 times. Is it? So 25 by 6 times it will be travel. So distance traveled in 25 by 6 hours will be 1020 kilometer into 25 by 60. So rest is calculation, you can do it by yourself. Is it? So this way we do number 4. And after number 4, now I go with number 5. Is it? So let's make clear of this first. So I'm going with number 5 now. Sorry. Okay, so let's say it here, see. Okay, so in first number of this 5, what's the idea? Find the area of rectangular park which is 183 by 5 meter long and 50 by 3 meter broad. Is it? So the length and breadth of the rectangular park is given. So we are asked to find its area, and when we find the area of rectangle, we have to find product of the length and breadth. That is rule for finding area of rectangle. So same we have to apply here. So here length and breadth they are given. Length is given here 183 by 50 meter, and breadth is given 50 by 3 meter. Is it? So their product we do, and we get the area of the rectangular park. So for this A number, we find area of rectangular park. Area of rectangular park equal to is length into breadth. Is it? So it's length into breadth we do. So length we do have already given 183 by 5 meter, and breadth we are given 50 divided by 3 meter. Is it? So we can multiply them. Is it? So 5 10 times will go for 50, and by 3 3 6 18 3 1 is 3. Is it? So 61 into 10 we get. So 61 into 10 when you do, we get there 610. Is it? So an area we count in the unit of square unit. Is it? So length and breadth they are given in meters. So meter square will be the unit for calculating area of the park. Is it? So you say here we conclude area of the park. Is it? So area of the park equal to 610 meter square. Is it? So A number is done. And now in number B, so what's here? See, find the area of the square plot. Is it square plot of land whose each side measures 17 by 2 meter? So thing is what over here, we have to find now area of square plot. So square is when you find the area of square, it's very same as we find for the rectangle, length into breadth. So for square, both will be considered as length, or both will be considered equal. So length into length, you can say length square. Or if you suppose length of the square as L, then you can say its area is L into L, that will be L square. So that we do here. Now I make it this clear first. Okay. So number B, area of square plot of land equal to L square we do, length square, and length is just 17 by 2. So 17 by 2 square will be, so it is 17 by 2 into 17 by 2 we have to do, and 2 square is 4, and 17 square is what we have to identify here. And so many ways you might have remember, or if you can't remember, you can do breaking this as form of 10 plus 7 whole square, and it may be question in the algebraic portion, right? So a square into 2 into a into b and plus b square we have to do. So 100 plus 140 and plus 49. So we're going to get there 289. Is it? So 17 square we write here 289. So area of the square plot is 289 by 4 meters square. Alright, and as it is over here now improper fraction, you can convert definitely into the mixed fraction. So 4 7s are 28, is it? And 4 2s are 8. So 1 remainder 1 by 4. So that much meter square. So area of the square plot is 72 whole number 1 by 4 meter square. So I did with this 5, and now I move on to the number 6. And for that, I make this clear. Now, so we done with 5, and I'm doing number 6 now here. Okay, what's here in number 6 to see? So this is what the cost of the 3.5 meter of cloth. is 57 all number 3 by 4 is given, is it? You're given cost of this 3 all number 1 by 2 meter, and it's given 57 all number 3 by 4, is it? So we are asked to find the cost of the 1 meter of cloth, is it? So I'll let you understand the concept through one easy example first. Suppose I went to purchase 3 meter of cloth for stitching my shirt or pant like that, right? And its total cost when I've just purchased the cloth only, he let me pay 900 rupees. So we can easily understand what will be the cost of 1 meter, is it? So it will be obviously less, isn't it? For 3 meter I purchased in total 900. It means what? For 1 meter I must have purchased less, and how less? 3 times this, is it? So by 3 we have to divide it. So for 1 meter we can get 900 by 3, so it will become 300 rupees. So just by making easy concept, is it, understanding easy concept, we can apply here same. So what total amount of cost is paid for 3 meter, we have divided the total cost 900 by 3, is it? So same you have to do here. So the total cost is this 57 all number 3 by 4 is for the 3.5 meter, is it? So by 3.5 we have to divide it, then we'll get the cost of 1 meter. All right, so let's do this thing, same thing here. So we say here cost of 3.5 meter, which is given us, is it? So cost of 3.5 meter, cost in 3.5 meter of cloth. Okay, so let's write clearly. Cost of 3.5 meter of cloth, so that we are given equal to rupees 57 all number 3 divided by 4. So now to find cost of 1 meter, we have to divide that cost total by the 3.5 meter. So to make ease, let's convert this mixed number into the improper fractions first. So cost of 3 number 1 by 2 is 3 into 2 plus 1 by 2, this meter of cloth. So it's taking cost of rupees 57 all number 3 by 4, that is 57 into 4 plus 3 all divided by 4, is it? So this is what over here, cost of 5 plus 1 6, cost of 6 plus 1 7, is it? 3, sorry, I made mistake, might be in counting. 3 to 6, 6 plus 1 7, so 7 by 2 meter. So cost of 7 by 2 meter of cloth, we are given this equal to rupees 57 into 4, is it? So I just do it in rough over here. 57 into 4, 50 into 4, 200, is it? And 7 4 28, so it is 228, and 228 plus 3, is it? So this is going to be 31, is it? So 231, so 231 divided by 4, is it? So cost of 7 by 2 meter of the cloth is 231 divided by 4. And now to find the cost of 1 meter, now we have to divide this, is it? So cost of 1 meter cloth, 1 meter of cloth will be equal to rupees 231 by 4 divided by 7 divided by 2, is it? And now the thing is what? So this 231 divided by 4, it will be kept same, and division we turn into the product symbol by making reciprocal by what is getting divided, is it? So 7 by 2 we get reciprocated, and we will be write down 2 by 7. And now let's make calculation. By 2 4 cuts for 2 times, is it? And then by 7 231 also divisible. 7 3 is at 21, so 2 remaining 1 21 again. 7 3 is at 21, so 33 whole number 1 by 2. So when we get divided, 2 1 is 2, is it? So 1 3 13, 2 6 is 12, 1 remaining, so 16 whole number 1 by 2. Therefore cost of 1 meter of cloth, is it? So this is equal to 16 whole number 1 by 2. And now B number, let's see what is over here. A curve length 142 by 43 by 2 meter has been cut into 26 pieces of equal length. So what is the length of each piece, is it? So there's the total length of this 143 by 2 meter, is it? And this has been cut into 26 equal pieces. So what will be the length of each piece, it is asked. So definitely we have to divide it, is it? So for making easily comprehensive, right, let's consider one easy example. All right, suppose you do have one chord of length 10 meter and you divided it into 5 equal pieces. Is it? You do have 10 meter of length uh, for anything. It may be cord or it may be rope or anything, and you cut into the 5 equal pieces. So how many meters will be of the length for the each piece? Is it? So by 5 you have to divide, is it, because you have cut into the 5 equal pieces. So same way we have to do here. So total we do have of the 143 by 2 meter of length, and this we have cut into 26 pieces. So by 26 you have to divide, is it, and then we'll be finding the length of each piece over there. So you can do it yourself. Okay, so I go with number 7 now. Okay, I'm going with 7 number. Okay, what's here in number 7? Let's see. Okay, so see the area of room. First number, let's see. In number A, what's said here? The area of room is 1665 whole number 1 by 4 meters square. Is it? So room means rectangular room. Its area is given 65 whole number 1 by 4 meters square, and its breadth is given 5 whole number 7 by 16 meter. And what is the length? We are asked to find the length of the room. Is it? So we can do the thing. Is it? So need to go directly for finding the length. So we can go with the use of the area of the room first. Right, so here area of room. Right, so here area of room, it's given us 65 whole number 1 by 4 meters square, is it, and we already have known that area of room is product of length and breadth, is it. So L into B equal to 65 whole number 1 by 4 meters square. I'm not writing right now. And between length and breadth, we are given here breadth 5 whole number 7 by 16 meters, is it. So length into breadth we do have here 5 whole number 7 by 16, is it. So that equal to here 65 whole number 1 by 4. And now to find the length we should go for dividing, is it. The 65 whole number 1 by 4 we have to divide by 5 whole number 7 by 16, is it. So process is very same as we have just done above, is it. So we have to divide here 65 whole number 1 by 4 by 5 whole number 7 by 16 to find the length. So those mixed fraction you have to convert them into the first improper fraction, and then that division sign you have to convert into multiplication sign by reciprocating the divisor, is it, and then you go for simplifying, then you'll get the length. Right, and now in number B, so product of two rational numbers is 9 whole number 3 by 5, is it, and one of them is 9 whole number 3 by 7. So find the other rational number. Is very same. Right, so we consider rational numbers as A and B. Right, okay, so use how we do this. Okay, so those two rational numbers be A and B, is it. So first rational number, is it. So first rational number I say A, first rational number that I suppose A, and second rational number I suppose B, is it, and their product we are given 9 over 3 by 5. So A into B, that's given here 9 over 3 by 5, and among them one rational number is 9 over 3 by 7. Let it be given first, is it. So 9 whole number 3 by 7 into B equal to 9 whole number 3 by 5, is it. And now 9 whole number 3 by 7, that is multiplying with B. So when you send this to the other side, we have to divide, is it. So B equal to 9 whole number 3 by 5 divided by 9 whole number 3 by 7 you have to do. So the thing is very same. Those two mixed fraction you have to convert them into the improper fraction first, and then that divides sign you have to change into product sign by reciprocating the denominator, sorry, reciprocating that divisor, is it, and then you simplify it, and then you will get the value of b. So that will be the value of the next rational number. So it's solve the 7 what I have let you understand. Now I go with the number 8. So 8 number, first I go. And before that I made here clear. Okay, so I'm going with this 8 number. So what's here, let's see. So you said first Rita, one person, she has rupees 300 rupees, is it, and out of that money what she has spent here 1/3 of her money on notebooks purchasing, and 1/4 of the remainder on the other stationery items, is it. So we are here, two questions asks how much money did she spend, is it. So we have to find here how much amount she spent first, and in second how much money is left with her, right. So first her income you say, or how much she has, let's say. Either you can say income or how much she has, is it. So let's not say income, let's say here she had this much amount at the beginning, is it. So her money I say, right. So her money at beginning, her money at beginning what she has is rupees 300, is it. And out of this amount first she spent 1/3 on notebooks, right. So money spent on notebook I find, money spent on notebook, money spent on notebooks. So it's 1/3 of the total money what she has. So 1/3 of rupees 300 she spent on purchasing notebooks. So it will cross by 300 will be divided 100, is it. And now uh, 1/4 and 1/4 of the remainder on the stationery items. So it means what, 100 rupees is spent on a notebook, and after that how much amount of money she has, alright. So on that remainder sum of money she spent 1/4 of amount in stationery items. So first we have to find out how much remainder is there after purchasing, spending on the notebooks, right. So you say here then remainder, right. Then remaining money you can say, then remaining money. So then remaining money, she had 300 rupees at the beginning and she spent rupees 100, which was 1/3 of our beginning money. So she has now 200 rupees as a remainder, and from that remainder again she is spending 1/4 on the stationery items. So you say here spending on stationery item. So her spending on stationery items, or spending on stationery, okay, I'm making a mistake in writing stationery. Okay, he's spending on stationery items, so pen, pencil, copies, like that, right. Okay, so 100, 200 she has remaining after purchasing notebook. Now on other stationery items than notebook she is spending how much amount, that is 1/4, is it. So 1/4 of 200 I should have written, right. So 1/4 of 200, 1/4 of 200 rupees she is spending on stationery items. And when we do this, so 4 5s are 20, 4 zeros are, is it. So it can cut over there by 5 times 4 20, is it. So 50 rupees is spending on stationery items. So here's our final remainder, is it. So before finding final remainder, so first question, is it, let's answer for first question, how much money did she spend, is it. So answer first is her total expenditure, or her total spend, you say, her total spending equal to, so first is spent on notebook, is it? It was rupees 100. So her first spending on notebook is 100, and then she next spend for stationery item rupees 50. Okay, so 150 rupees she has spent, is it, in total. So she had rupees 300 at beginning, and including purchasing a notebook and the stationery items, she purchased in total rupees, she spent in total of rupees 150. So what is the balancing amount? That will be the final remainder or final leftover with her, is it? So for second number, uh, so how much money is left with her, is it? So sum of money left with her, sum of money left with her. So this is equal to, so she had rupees 300 at beginning and she spent rupees 150 in total. So 300 minus 150, that is 150. So she has finally remaining 150 rupees with her. Right. So it was of the 8 number first, 8 number A, is it? And I move into 8 number B. For that I make clear of this. Now 8 number B. Okay, what is said here? Let's see. Okay, so here Anuj earns 16,000 per month. So his income per month is given 16,000 rupees, and he spent one fourth of his income in food, is it? And 3 by 10 of remaining amount in house rent, and 5 by 12 of remainder on the education of children. So how much money did he spend in total? So total expenditure we have to find first, and how much money still left with him, is it? So after that, how much money is left, that we have to find. So uh, so first we go with the keeping here how much total monthly income he has, is it? So his monthly income right here. So his monthly income equal to rupees 16,000. He has rupees 16,000 in total, right? And after that he spent one fourth of his income on food, is it? So you may say here expenditure on food, right? So spending is called expenditure, we know already this, is it? So expenditure on food items, so it's one fourth of his income. So one fourth of 16,000. So 1 by 4 of 16,000 if we do, so we're going to get there 4,000 rupees, is it? So balancing after expenditure on food, right? So remainder after food expense, I say remainder after food expense. So remainder after food expense equal to, so he had rupees 16,000 at beginning and he spent 4,000 on food. So 12,000 rupees he had at uh, as a balance after procuring expense on food. And now how much will be the house rent? It's said here 3 by 10, is it? So he is spending 3 by 10 of remainder for house rent. So you say here expense on house rent, right? So expense on house rent. So expense on house rent is that's given the 3 by 10 of the first remainder 12,000, is it? So 3 by 10 into 12,000 you have to do, and so it will get there 10 cot, is it? So 1200 into 2, 3600. So he spent 3600 rupees for house rent, and now remainder after house rent we find, right? Remainder after house rent. So remainder after house rent is, so remainder after food expense was 12,000, is it? And from that sort of money he spent 3600 for the house rent, is it? So now we have to subtract 3600 from 12,000. So let's think by breaking 3600 you have to subtract. So let's subtract it by breaking in form of 3600. So you subtract 3000 first, and what remains there, you again subtract 600. So that way, if you do it in mind, easily you can identify the answer without any hardship. Alright, so 3000 I subtract first, so that you can do it in mind, is it? So from 12,000 3000 subtract, you get there 9,000, is it? And now from 900 again you have to subtract there 600. So from 9,000 if you subtract 600, alright, so how much you're going to get there? 8,400, is it? So 8,400 rupees is the remainder after spending on the house rent, is it? And after finding remainder after the house rent, is it? Now we go for finding expenditure he made on the education for children, is it? So spending on education, we say, right? So spending on education, like okay, this I'll say education. Spending on education for his children, that is what, that is over there 5 by 21, is it? 5 by 21 of the remainder. So 5 by 21 of remainder 8,400 we have to do. So it's what, 5 by 21 into 8,400, is it? So 21 by that 84 you can divide for 4 times. 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. So 21 into 400 we get there 8,400. So now there is 5 into 400, and it is what, 5 4 is 20, so 2,000 rupees. So he has spent 2,000 rupees for the education of his children. And now we'll be finding total expenditure, is it? So total expenditure, so his total expenditure you can say, is it? So this is for first number answer. His total expenditure equal to, so in 3 category he has spent, is it? The first was spending on food, is it? Food expense. And then second, he has spent for the rent expense. And after rent he has spent for education, is it? So education expenses, so let's add these 3 expenses. So food expenses, it was there 4,000, is it? And after that rent expense, it was there 3,600. And then finally expenditure on education was 2,000. So 437 and 729, so 9,600. So total he has made spend of the 9,600 rupees. And after finding this, now second we are asked how much is remaining with him, is it, after these all expenses. So money still left with him, so money still left with him, is it? So money still left with him equal to, so total income was rupees 16,000, and from that amount of money he has spent 9,600, is it? So you subtract first 9,000, so from 6,000 9,000 you subtract 7,000 you get, is it? And again subtract 600, so you get this 6,400 rupees. So money left with him is 6,400. So up to 8 number B I let you learn, and it was of the all the explanation all of the numbers of this exercise 5.3. and after letting you learn this exercise 5.3, now I'll be making let you learn through my videos in the next with next chapter for 5.4. So up to here now.